Hi, this is Marie from Clean Pristine Solutions. We provide professional cleaning services for businesses in Mississippi. So I was hoping to speak with someone who handles facility maintenance or office cleaning contracts. Would that be you or someone else I could speak to?
Yeah, you're talking to him right now.
Okay, may I know your first name, sir?
Yeah, this is Ken.
Okay, hello, Sir Ken. So we specialized in high quality, reliable, and commercial cleaning services. So right now, we're currently working with number of businesses similar to yours. So helping them maintain clean, healthy workspaces without the hassle of managing it in-house. So I wanted to quickly ask this one. Are you currently happy with your current cleaning provider, or are you open to exploring options as well?
Yeah, we are currently happy with them right now, but we are open to explore, like to try something new or to add more people to our company.
Okay, that would be great, Sir Ken. Just to make sure that would be in a good fit. Can I ask what kind of space you're looking to have cleaned? Is it office, retail, medical, or something else?
Yeah. It's an office and it is a call center office, and I wanted because our cleaners right now is cleaning most of the stations and also all of the computers, and I want to add more people to it since we
Oh,
are expanding right now.
okay, that would be a great one. Then, how do often do you want them cleaning?
Um, Mostly they do cleaning like around 3 times a week after shift.
Okay. Okay, so 3 times a week after shift. Okay, thanks for sharing about that, Sir Ken. So, based on what you've told me, I'd love to set up a time for a quick walkthrough, just a Zoom call that we could give you a custom code and walk through on how make things easier, and also we can talk about the cost effective as well. So would let us set up time. Would it be fine for you with Thursday 1:30 p.m.?
Yeah, I can go with that one.
Okay, thank you about that, Sir Ken. So to confirm this setup, would it be okay? So can I confirm your email address as well? Is it task123@gmail.com?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, thank you about that. And with your address, would it be Nola Street, Mankato, Mississippi?
Yes, you got it right.
Oh, okay, thank you about that, Sir K. And with your contact number, is it the one ending 456?
Yes.
Okay, so perfect. I'll send over a calendar invite and a quick intro email as well. So I really appreciate your time, Sir Ken, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon.
Yeah, yeah,
And I hope you will have a good day. Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Before anything else, for this one that you set with me, this is
Yes,
a
sir.
just to be clear, this is a Zoom meeting, right? And
Oh, yes, sir.
yeah, and also the one that be calling me at the time is one of your like higher ups or senior support to explain everything to me.
Yes, sir. We will do have a walkthrough, just a Zoom call, a walkthrough, and they will custom code you. So that
Oh, I
would
see.
be, yeah,
I see.
okay.
I see. And also, it will not cost me anything, right?
Yes, sir. There will be no uh, money I mean, out of your pocket. So
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, sure, you sure. Yeah, go ahead with that one.
Okay. Well, thank you again, Sir Ken. And I'll just send over the invite into your email. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Have a great day, Sir Ken.
You too as well. Bye.
Bye.